The cumulative sum of energy consumption by meta. However, this question with the running total can be literally used for anything, even finance and accounting. So this is a very important question. Here is what the data set looks like, and in order to solve this problem, we need to join all three continents tables. As you can see, there are three tables. In order to do that, we need to use the union statement. In this case, I'm going to use union all, and reselect this data just with a different table. So in this case, I need to use this. So we can see it correctly ran. Oh, here we go. Here we go. And we need to do this one more time, except we are going to use this table, the energy from Asia. Unit all, select energy from Asia. Oh, we have two of these from statements. Okay, now we need to do this by date. In order to do it by date, we're going to call this as data and do a group by, because as of right now, there's many different dates, all within the same one. So we need to select date, comma, the sum of the consumption. Copy it so I don't misspell it, as the total from data group by date. And here is what our new total should look like. Group by date. Group sum consumption from data group by date. Oh, here we go. I need an as statement. Finally, this is going to be our day table. So we'll call it day table. I'm going to make this a separate table just so it's a little confusing. We can't forget our comma since this is a second table. And we need to select the sum total, because we changed it to total. First of all, we need the date. Over, because this is going to be a running total, order by date. And we're going to call this as the running total from the day table right here. Sum total order by date as running total from day total. Sum total from data order by date. Oh, we need another add. They keep forgetting these add statements. There we go. Finally, so what we need to do is, if we try to press the solution now, it's going to fail because we need a third table. As we can see, my first column looks right, 1050, 2175. It's correct. However, we need one last column with the percentage. In order to get the percentage, it's going to be the same thing as this column right here. However, we need to divide it by the grand total. In this case, the grand total is going to be the sum of the total from the day table. And when we run this, let's see what we get. And we're going to call this as, we'll just call it what they call it, percent. When we run it now, as we can see, we're getting close. However, they want a whole number. This needs to be times by 100, and they wanted it rounded to a nearest whole number. In order to get it to the nearest whole number, we need to multiply by 100. We need to make sure not to do a .002 because that'll want it to be decimal. In order to do it by a whole number, we need to do a round with no parameters or anything. And we tried running it, we correctly solved the problem. As you can see now, our solution is by date, the running total, and the percentage. And at the end, it's going to be 100%, obviously. If you like this, you can look at or need extra help, you can make a comment or look at the solution on GitHub. Thank you. Bye.